And I work like a dog day and night, living off of coffee from a pot none of you want to touch.
Come say insect is crawling out, crawling out. The insect them is crawling out, crawling out. My fair lady. Me say the roach them is crawling out, crawling out, crawling out. The roach them is crawling out. The roach them is crawling out. What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up? Blessed Ben Johnson Day. It's a Thursday. Ooh. Wanna know the door? It is so easy. Insect are crawling out. I wonder if it's true it's raining. Because when rain are falling, you have all kind of roach. You have jummer roach. You have pit tilet roach. You have sewage roach. You have all kind of roach that fly out. But me, I don't expect me to give some of them a roach. No attention. You see who never make it already for the past 2 years, 3 years, just before me and just after me. Now I can make it again. Them nobody try. And the worst part of it, them I try the wrong way. Yes man, the worst part of it, them I try the wrong way. So, you don't expect me to come out here for every roach to pop up. If him fly up and him pitch for me just find a shoes or a slippers, or if him fly and I can step on it or step on her, me just do that. But me not run back and no roach and I run them down for me! You must be mad. You think flying roach have a nice roach you run off of? Them just a fly here, there and everywhere. No abiding city. You wonder if them wing never split where them could have fly where them would have do. Anyway, as me say, me see some one new insect come out. People all send me it in my phone. Thank you to my people, but not interested. Me see it, and a few people send it to me after me see it. But me a bless you and thank you, because me no want you no feel like say me no appreciate it, because as me say, I know everywhere me I go there. And sometimes when wifey hold me down out here, in here, things are going on when me don't know about. And uno out there on the battlefield as the stepping soldiers. So if you don't want to report to the general, or the chief, anyway you don't want, or the lieutenant, I have no problem. But just bear in mind, it's not every insect me I go run after. Not everyone. So, when you see things out there interested, you can still, yes, because me say TVJ and CVM, which is the two national station, TV station, they both in Kingston. And it's something now Ochi. If every correspondent is here in Kingston, them can't know unless amateur people are going to give them it. So when time, worst like all and storm time I come, then put a correspondent in every parish. So them can feed the main with all the news that is happening in and around that parish. So me can do everywhere. So thank you, when you don't say nothing out there, have interest or you know say your boy Speak My Mind would want to talk about or probably interested, me not stop on the phone saying it. But you see that one, yeah? Me alright. Anyway, as me son know to do, it is easy. So easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please do watch the ads. Please do watch the ads. It's the festive season that you're going to see a lot of ads. Don't get frustrated and say, "Chum, I watch 2 already, me now watch no more." Every time you watch ads, the channel gain a revenue. Every one of those ads are paid for. Alright? So when we, the platform holder, they have played on our channel, YouTube paid us for it. So please to watch the ads. It's a festive season where you're going to see a lot of extra ads going on and stuff like that. Alright? By December, if you done, it gone back to square one. Alright, just know, festive season, everybody I look promotion. Yeah, I hate that. Same with YouTube. I remember life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section pin. Please to give her a subscription. Help her to reach that 1,000. And don't forget my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And the extended part of Life is a Mission TV and to TikTok. So if you have not yet followed me on TikTok, go over there. Yes, man, me I go hide myself. And me that, you know, over TikTok, you know. Yeah, man. Like to speak out. But I just like you have to be careful because Jamaican people don't like hear the truth, you know. Especially the people them in a society. The people them in a government. The people them in high places. When they do nothing at all. And when you see them now do certain things that you come out, come talk. Them want to set you up. Alright, and remember the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trend. If you want to give me, you can go ahead and give me. When you give me, I give back to the needy. And you know, here the plans for the Christmas. It's not this mountain, but the Christmas mountain. But the Christmas, we want to make sure we get the packages, the little small goodies them, the little grocery pack for the amount of persons that are limited at 10 persons. You know, we want to get that in position by the 20th, 21st. Remember, YouTube pay the 21st, you know, but if me have to go in my pocket and start to prepare, so by the 22nd or the 23rd, we can start distribute it. You know, because we don't want after the 25th. We want them can have even, despite no chicken and no mutton and no ham and no steak and no turkey, if it's even, we make a meal from the non-perishable goods that we're going to give them. Because as I say, most of these people don't have any fridge, don't have any current. So you give them non-perishable goods. And I normally I give like a 10,000, 12,000, 13,000 bag of grocery at the end of the month. I want to even split it in two. So instead I want somebody to get so much, just to add some more people to it. And as I say, the past people that I have given grocery, they making up that 10 person, right? One of them deceased, as me say, but we are looking for 4 or 5 more to put on them to make it up to that amount there. So that's why we have cut the basket in two, because we not pressure nobody, and we can put it at more than we can reach it. And then remember, it's not a charity, it's just a give back from what me earn. And if you feel like come on board and bless me as you ask the cash up to do, so be the case. That's where it goes. Alright? Anyway. Oh, Charms and Trend, remember, on Instagram, charmed underscore and underscore in charmed underscore and underscore trends. Charms and Trends on Instagram. Just drop in at the bio, in the DM, and reach out and you get all the information. It's a season for giving gift. Make your gift be special. Alright? Yes, customize your gift. People, I want one. I tell you, you know, the one in a social media just can't over. Because you have some people them like to be the trending persons. And when these persons are not trending, they do everything to make sure them name call. So them stay relevant. Me come across 2 videos, me all confused which one to do first. And based on what I understand, me I gonna do that one here with Curly first. But based on what I understand, it seems like there was a video before even this one. Me not going to search it. Where she come out, I don't know what Dwayne has said, Dewiesha, but basically he also has done a video too. So it costs a little cuss. So Curly come out and I give him a piece of her tongue. And the other video, we only all getting at the evening. Because I choose to go to the one in the evening. Dwayne come back out, but when Dwayne come back out, it was like a crossfire war. Dwayne come back out, bubbling. What me say? Bubbling. But guess what? As me only hear me say, it's like a crossfire war. It was all about Curly, but guess what? Somebody else get involved. Because basically what Curly was saying about Dewiesha, Portland that take it and a play it. And you know, say she and Dewiesha no good. So it's like she kind of lean out to Curly asking, yes, Curly, I don't have to say anything. See there? Deal with him, Curly. And you know she and Curly no good neither. But Dewiesha never like that. So Dewiesha come up back on him platform and me I tell you, if you don't think Curly give him piece of your tongue, hey, him give the woman of Portland the whole of him mouth, not him tongue, the whole of him mouth. Jesus, please him go on bad. So you stay tuned for the evening video because you don't want to miss that. So I could deal with that one yeah. First, since me figure more or less say, you know, the coordination is better for me to play this one first. So I want to listen up Curly.
Anyway, let me get straight to the point.
Straight to the point before it broke.
Straight to the point. I'm going to say a lot of linga-linga. I can't bother with the linga-linga business because I'm not a blogger. Anything I have to say, I just say it.
Oh, you mean you're a blogger?
After I was getting ready to go about my business, I heard that doing over MPH had done me. Because of the statement that I made on my page last night. He's also over there cussing me and telling me that I'm talking about his disability. First of all, I don't cuss people about their disability unless them cuss me about mine.
And this is why I feel like there's another video before the one that me I go play later. You understand? Because most of the cussing, yes, him talk about she, but most of the cussing are the woman where I play the video on our channel, the Portlander. Jesus Christ. Whoever who not like pepper ever eat some food, and when you bite like the pepper seed or you dash the food and just run up and down. And so the way in mouth I run up and down in the phone, you know? The man come like them pepper in mouth, him just let it go so. Hey, you not prepare for it. Later video that.
Number one, I don't think he has listened. If you had any form of intelligence, as you claim that you so-called do, that you are the most educated and intelligent man on social media, according to your words. If you were listening to my tape, you would have known that I was giving you a compliment when I was talking about your disability. I said to you that your disability don't stop you. You come on social media, you said you are the most educated, you're educated over there, and your disability shouldn't stop you. You can go out, go in your wheelchair, and go do any professional big job in any office, as you claim that you have the education to do so. I was not putting down your disability because I come on social media many times and defended you. What people have said about you. So I would be the last person. Me hear you over there, call me cock eye and this and that and whatever. That's fine. Because you have said a lot of things about me. But if you have taken the time out to listen, I was complimenting you. I was saying that your disability will stop you from going down a wheelchair and go and work or do your work. Because you sit up on social media 24/7, 365 days a year, 7 days a week, and give.
Alright. My opinion. Everybody have their own opinion. With just that what she say right there so alone, right there so. Him sit down on social media every day, pan him can go. You're not complimenting the man, nothing at all. You are not complimenting the man this. You're not compliment Dewiesha at all. I tell off the man this honor the decay way. Because he is a person where we sit down on social media. At the same time, the word is there that he might collect government pension, government money for disability. But yet still him can sit down on social media for hours and days. When him can go out there, go do something. That's exactly what you are telling. That's not a compliment. So don't come out here come go on like you want to farm full of people. That's not a compliment. You know what's a compliment? If you don't know, let me tell you, this one is not one. So go check out and find out what is a compliment. Who agree with me? Say agree. That is not a compliment. She's just trying to tell him off. And this the kind way.
Advice right there and chatter and not there. Me not see her going to no farmer distress. Me no see her at no way. So even if you had any form of disability and you claim that you are so educated and you are so this and so that, you could have gone out and worked 1, 3, 4
You
hours
claim.
anyway. Just like anybody with a disability and have an education.
Where
and a big
compliment
degree.
come from this, so?
That's what my,
Yeah,
that's
tell
what
him
my
off.
video was referring
You're
to.
not complimenting.
But true, you want to trace me off a long time. True, you want to trace me off so you can get views, like and share. Keep on tracing. I was not speaking about your disability in no downgrading way. I was encouraging you and telling you at the time that you're on social media trying to defend people who not defend you, taking up for people who not take up for you and curse people, and you know damn well out here is a movie production. You know out here stay already. And I stated that you can't, no matter what, because me see you sit down there every day for hours and hours and make blogging, laugh and go on. So you being in a chair don't stop you from going out to be a social worker.
Tell him off, master. Tell him off, cause that's not a compliment. Tell him off. That's exactly what you had to tell him off.
And them in a wheelchair volunteering and doing a lot of work. That was what my video stated last night. So how is it that you over your page, me not go, and me not go over here where you have to say, because I ain't bomber clock interested, and I'm not where you have to say. All I stated that you and I,
The man say him help you. Where?
come by your page, come talk to you. I must say that you're mad about because I said I ain't coming because you're a flip-flopper. And me ain't coming, you disrespect me all the time. And me not coming, me not have a chat. Me not reconcile, me not pet and powder lotion, no girl.
Me not lotion, pet, nor powder.
Anybody who's going to come and apologize to me, I must be the other side, not me.
Sit down and wait. You're going to mess up yourself. Make sure you have on drawers, because you say you know your drawers. Because when you're ready to mess up yourself, sitting down waiting for this.
And disrespect me on the social media. So me don't know where you come and talk about me for reconcile. Reconcile anyone. Any reconciliation I go on, I must reconciliation in the church. They gonna give me heart surely and full to Jesus Christ. Not more than big worried pussy girl and boy out here. You understand? Not like that. So when you listen to me, you listen to my video carefully. Nobody up in my heart where it all costs me to go into the pit of hell. Me despise them in our way. Me don't like them dirty ways and where them are going with, but me know the karma. So
when you talk about people, it's more than having them up in your heart about despise. When you despise people, simple things, not trigger you.
Where I walk around and people, and the dirty bitches, girl them, where I go out and I take picture of ever blessed, good pussy Marcia, ever blessed Marcia.
Boy, I see she post on her page asking her followers, her supporters, to go and report such man page. You know the number man? Yes man. Not the lumber man, you know the number man. Me don't want to run the wrong thing to me say lumber. Number man. Yes man. She say her followers them to go report him page as him go live. But man say, how long you tell your followers them this? When you know see certain things now work, why not leave it alone? Who know have strong support base to do them something there? Eh? If 3 or 4 of your supporters do that, you think that can take down the man page? And if the man do what he do and do it within the rules and guidelines of YouTube, you could have report from now till the morning. What you want to say happen not going to happen? What about all this university student where you hire to do your work? To strike and light and all kind of sitting. Oh, we not see no light in a strike. We don't hear your talk no more. I wonder if university students have time to sit down. We see you. You can't pay people for do them something there. You have money to pay. Your channel I make any gains for you to take money from to pay somebody to do that job. What are you going to do? Go into your pocket and take your little sheet money away. Now make enough money already to pay admin and pay people for do those type of work for you. Your channel if you make money, so you can take a money from the money where you make off of the channel a month time to do that. Every minute you come out here, I'm gonna support, I'm gonna report, I'm gonna this, I want this. Where? Live your life, man, and keep your channel alone, my people, and go at them same as how them come at you. You're going to kind of love the back and forth. You love the back and forth because you gain a revenue, and it is your only revenue where you're sure I'm on time. Because you're not sure the dicky money from the man. You're not sure if you sell half dozen or a dozen sheet. So the YouTube money is the only money where you're sure of. Every month. Oh.
Stress-free mass, yeah? What them can't do, them not have no bubble
Get
clot
little water
camera
there.
light. We go in a camera. Them see me in a them not have no blood clot money. But when them go to dance hall, them pussy clot broke. Them go and party, them not have no bumbo clot money to buy not even a blood clot $40 table. Last Saturday when we go to a $500 was in my blood clot purse. I spent $200. Champagne and a table. I don't have no time and I care about home $300.
Someone say, a week span top of weeks, you left your yard and go a party. Weeks span top of weeks. And at the first you able to come out here come brag. Say people can't buy a table through you. As what you say, me have to say what you say. Me a quote you now. Claim to say you buy a table for $200. That consists of a bottle of champagne. You have to come out here now come brag. How much other weeks you go to party even the same place where you go, where you get whap 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 whap, and you don't buy nothing. All we see you with is a cup. A man see you and like you and give you a drink because it seems like that you got a party for. Camera light in your face. Yeah, and people see you, man see you, and then two you like a cheap color code clothes them where you have. Yeah. Man get attracted to the color code clothes after your liquor. And you have the cup all night. Now you say you no drink, so what you buy champagne for? The one little week you buy something, you come and talk about it. Could you too? Never see come see.
And plus, I hope they will get the selector money to play young and run free. I don't have no time to worry about broke pocket pussy clear them out there. Where I walk and watch, good up, tap an eye, blood clot, never bless when they want to call me Marcia. But happier than them. You understand? So if they want to make themselves unhappy, I am making myself.
Marcia put a post on her page say,
You understand?
if this is what stress feel like, she want to be like this for 12 years. For the next 12 years.
Look like a skittle and look like everyday people and whatever. And don't want to get one little poor man. They don't want to get one little side man. They don't want to get one little married man with a problem. And they don't want to get one other man with a woman with a problem.
You will never talk like you want none of them demand, but you end up with one now, you want people to get them.
Other watch who me a talk to, from who me a talk to, I'm a rascal, they will do one. You understand? So if they want to say whatever they want to say, whether they want to call me any type of name or any type of whatever, me must not worry about that because me look good. Me look good. This is not the same Marcia we last year, 2023.
Marcia now a ratty glass there.
6 months ago.
Now when if a night diving she a go pan.
This is a happier Marcia.
But if you go night diving, you need a clear goggles. You don't need the dark goggles that she have on.
So I don't need to come out and worry about none of you. What gonna think about me? To the Woodland Village Marcia, that's another Marcia. This is the back in the days Marcia when
The New York City Marcia. Right now if Marcia phone ring, man call her video call, you see everything through the glass that she have on. Everything. I'm sorry the man can't call her right now. Marcia have on one rotted glass, big like a 18-inch fan. Dark like a midnight. Me want if a night dive in Chicago. But me just sorry the man can't call her video call now, because me I see, watch it. Me I see everything on the phone screen through her glass. That's what she give herself all the while, you know. She always exposes herself because she's not conscious of what she do. She just come out here and just want to brag and boast and show off. And in doing so, she exposes herself both saying things and showing up things because she just wants to see things where she want to show you and realize that she has show other things where she wouldn't want to show you. You go see it. Then she come out here
When I was
post.
in New York City, when I was happy and things did go on for me.
That was then. And now we are talking about.
This is not last year, this is not the Woodland Village Mafia. This is a New York City blood clot mafia. When we did a New York City and I could have seen my way out and I was
When the
happy.
full winter start, we know.
That's a this mafia will not deal with.
When the full winter start and middle, we know which are the and the mafia.
Apart from a page. Because I'm not plan to turn back nowhere and go back to the other mafia. You understand? A progress, me say. A happiness, me say. And a joy, me say.
Progress, me say, you know. Remember, say progress, me say.
And talk when they want to talk. That's their problem. That don't have nothing to do with me.
Sometimes I mispronounce word, you know, me not lie and tell you. Because all me a flow and me just a talk, and me no script nothing and read off. When me come, the hardest part of me doing a video, people, is the intro. You see, once me start talk, I hit that. Any video me a dissect, me not have to listen it and write down nothing. But I only listen to know what me, if I want it to dissect and what me gonna come talk about. I'm gonna go to a room and I'm read it in my head, say, alright, she did say this. When me reach it, so, me talk about this, so. Boom, she did say that. When me reach it, so, me not have nothing scripted. So sometimes I come out here and me a flow, and sometimes you want to mix proper English with the patois, and it show you off. But me not come out here come pronounce no word at the start of the word progress. I'm not gonna say progress. No. I must in at the middle of the word there is a letter that me silent, or a letter that me drag, or me put in a different letter. But not at the start of the word. Like what progress. How will you get that one there from, Master? Oh, still everybody can have them dictionary. L.A. Lewis teach everybody if you have their own dictionary. So probably at that. Remember L.A. Lewis teach everybody if you have their own dictionary, you know.
Yeah, look, one place to buy one sandwich you carry with me.
Anyway, doing time you know, you got here or eat up you know. Like the hungry bite
so
or.
I am telling you, I made this statement already over Facebook, over YouTube. You me see I send out one video and say, Marcy, you want to talk to me. I ain't speaking to you. There's nothing to talk to you about.
Nothing,
you
Dwayne.
I will never get back to places.
I need no friends from you, Dwayne.
Yes,
no friend from you, Dwayne. No friend.
And reach out to you to assist me. And it was a little something, and no big blood clot, nothing. And the like say you write an essay, and the like say you have to read a page for me, you only have to put in a little information. The first time when I go over YouTube, I had Atlanta lady help me in Atlanta, Georgia. But I call them name. They are the one that helped me with the major.
You don't talk already, man. Said the woman like a 13 or almost a 14-year-old daughter. You talk that long time, where you hide now?
When you nip on social media, before I was making $1 dollar, you were making how much thousands of dollars off of me.
You don't listen what I pay Marcia now, you know, don't listen.
And you were getting over 200,000.
Listen what paying Marcia right now, don't listen.
300,000.
Listen, she admit her pay bill.
The only thing that you did was like when you send, when we have a birthday at Christmas, and we say, you don't want to donate something towards the decoration. You send $150 or whatever, you always send that. But you make a lot of money, so when you bring up on a top about saying, me over YouTube, I make a little dollar. When you more clout I've been doing, you know, look how long I'm over there. I only over YouTube for 6 months now. Oh, look how long I'm there YouTube, I make how much thousands of dollars. Look how much money you get on social media make before me. So when you put in that for, that come like a blood clot jealousy. Any money when me make on social media, my content, you know. Me not thief, nobody more clot, nothing about you, you know. Me not thief, nobody nothing. Any money when me make, you know, my talent. My chatting. Me not make the money.
Chatting is not a talent, Marcia. Because of that, really you do for true, chat. But chatting is not a talent. I chat now, so not my talent. It mean we come and talk about you, I chat, not my talent. Come on, Marcia. Chatting is not a talent, Marcia. So explain what you mean chat is a talent to us. What are you trying to itch on to that? You're a comedian? You're comical? You're not.
I use mine. I use mine to make money. Me not use it now, no. I don't play it now, no. So so you don't have to bring up the part you talk about say me over there make $1 and make $5 or whatever it is. No, don't say that. So what about when you were on your channel for all long? Look how much years you know out here make money when me not have the monetization. If Facebook never keep on blocking me, would I never reach my YouTube now?
And she glad.
But me glad say Facebook in a block me reach over there.
Cause she sure her pay bill, sure is pay bill.
Me have a lot of violation over here, so if me slip me slide, and I don't give one Ross, YouTube is more understanding. They could have report me till tomorrow morning because YouTube are an idiot. YouTube sister them use my contents too. I mean report them Ross too. Every last one them will report them back. So YouTube I report the reports. So none of them can come tell me so they won't take me.
So man say your talent this is come out you can chat foolishness. Eh? This is what you call your talent, to come chat foolishness. Look at you too. Make sure you see through that glass they're good.
Off of social media. I said me to come off of social media. Are you crazy? Why you come see me? You bright and out about me to come off with your bumbo clot, blood clot, pussy clot, social media where? You don't come see me. And I mean you get motivation and inspiration from other bloggers for you. Eh? How long you do blogging for you? How long you doing blogging out here? Me there for over 16 years. You just do blogging few years now. And then the rest of the blood clot fly them for you.
And all the rest of gingle fly them bout ya. For you doing blogging 16 years now. And you have a check out gingle fly, cause basically him a gingle fly too, Dewiesha. For assist you in whatever you want assistant in. Up to now, some basic things with even your phone, your laptop, you don't know. And this is why I wonder if leaving Jamaica, when you left Jamaica, if you did go school. And when you leave Jamaica and reach car, me not hear you and Tina talk about any form of diploma, high school graduate certificate or university graduate certificate. For some people who is there are persons like who dead for how long. You especially who grew up there from a tender age where you're supposed to have gone to school. I don't hear you talk about any high school graduation or college graduation or any school leaving certificate. I never hear you talk about any. But you just see like one of the greatest and the smartest on social media because you know out of 16, 15 years. What you achieve? You not achieve nothing. And we the gingy fly you not achieve from right now. We wanna say you not put money in our pocket and we put money in our phone pocket. Because we wanna come out here with this of no substance, you know. And because we see it as no substance, we decide to come out here and clown out all people like you. And then in clowning out you, people kind of get attracted to we clowning out you. So most time them even want to listen to you to come and clown you out. So, me not understand you come out here about decade and someone come after. And we will come after make you know some money can make out of social media, you know. Because in the early days, there wasn't any. And even when it started to give, you never know the know how and the do how. And they know it all and know it is how to make it. And we the gingy fly who come after, long after you know. Open your eyes and make us say, yes, $1 can make. Well, because already out they say money can make, you never know how to make it.
Are you crazy? You know about that night I keep your ass company? Huh? You know about that night where I keep your
glad
company?
me wasn't one of them who should keep company.
You know about that time where you come over my page and antagonize me? And and make trouble and go over and carry back news or carry back thinking over the plank of them and come back and forth. You know how much time you and Gracie come over here come interfere with me and provoke me because problem on social media? Eh? Come over the page, come write up all kind of things so you can get money if you make money. You know what, if I don't miss someone who didn't have the rats bed to sleep on and furniture in our house. So I would confess about it to an line.
Sure, true, I would pan Gracie. But Curly, you always do them something here. If I know you, some of them not have no bed to sleep on and furniture in them house. So oh, you not have none, Curly? I saw you love people more than yourself, Curly. You always do this. Why? Why you showing up yourself like this, Curly? You live into an empty lot, Curly. But yet still you make people have bed and furniture and feed them house. Make it make sense, no? So you love stranger more than yourself. I must love you love stranger more than yourself. If you get that the mattress there and throw it on the ground and send back the spring part of the bed where the mattress supposed to go up and you don't know the base part of the bed. Over 2 months ago, 3 months now. I know we can't hear Kiki or I know she can't go up and oh yes, I'm here. You can deliver it anytime. I know we can't see nothing carrying by delivery man. I know we can't hear she say, oh, me get back the bed now. 2 months and had now. You buy something and it have a slight problem or I must see the size. Remember what you did say happen? As well just say allegedly because nothing never go so. Because I know we can't see no box or nothing brand new we come there. And I know you can't get it back, but you have make people have bed and furniture. Could you too? You just full of yourself and feel like your name make people make money out here. You and your friend them will walk and talk that.
So you come over here come provoke me. So you can't get contents. What is the problem? I wanna war with this ugly blood clot girl when I have nothing. Wanna war with me? Leave me alone. I wanna bomb a clot so me know I've got me ugly caca.
Art yourself where you want with other people where you don't get them throat. Like your cancer.
If me so blood clot ugly, and me don't have nothing. Me in America for over 99 years. I don't have a raffles. I don't have no drawers. I don't have
you
no
love call a figure there, 99. Why you love call a figure there so you couldn't say 79? Or call the 40 years and add where you did it.
We live in a storage. Why the bomber cloth no war with me? Leave me alone and go talk about the bomber cloth people that we have house and car and bicycle. A man want them.
And that's why you make sure call the number first. You make sure call the number 99 first.
Well, they could never blog with the people who have house and care and big business and money for degree.
Want to see why she call the number first? Alright. She never want just call it and make the one statement. Because she know they are for 99 years. So why she never say the 40 or the 42 years just there? Why she say 99? Because she know what she were getting at next.
Which man I ride me for, which man not ride me, which married man me I take from, which single man me not take and who me not take. Go on social media, me go out in a public, gonna take people picture all over the place. Carry people picture come dash out on social media with people with random stranger.
Random stranger what? That's how you're born now for the man page to get reported because you find out say the man is at you again. You find out that the man catch up with you again, you know. That's why you're bad. Supporters, go support, go report his page, go report his page. Every time he comes live, report his page, report his page. Because you realize that the man will catch up on you, you know. Anytime the man catch up on you, you have a problem, you know. Once him that distant off of you, you don't have no problem. But you see, anytime the man start catch up on you, this so you have a problem. Your skin get chichi, start itch you like them cow itch you.
This and who for man that. I mean, then I what's up? Then if me don't have one blood clot, then one have blood more for. If me have the ugliest big belly shape, my blood clot, girl, I wouldn't have a shape. Why me couldn't talk about the people that have their shape? Eh? Then what happened to now? Then what is going on here? What me couldn't have blog about that? What blog about that?
And you are the star out
I
here.
understand how the obvious and how the blood
You are the
clot
veteran
every
out here.
day. I mix and I drink. Come on for me, dog man. All I wanna.
And you have the space in a social media cemetery. You have the space in social media cemetery. None of we don't have no space in a social media cemetery. So are you we have to go at? Are you are the star? You see, same like you see, same like how the heroes them bury up a hero circle and the soldier them have the privilege to bury up a camp. And so social media make a cemetery. And you are the only one out here who have the opportunity in the diaspora. So if you pass tomorrow morning have a space in social media cemetery, a decades you say you out there, you know. Now what you talking, man? You recommended long time. Social media veteran.
You have one bumble clot. So we're not talking about me for? Huh?
42
What are
years.
you talking about me for?
What if I hear that today in our next man country, you know, to the turn our citizen.
What are you
And
talking
you don't
about
have
me
nothing
for?
in your life, it don't look good.
Me not important. So what are you talking about me for?
Come like an empty basket.
When you talk about people who have them house, they're upstairs and downstairs. Go and talk about people who have them masters and them PhD and them doctorates.
Upstairs,
Don't talk
downstairs.
about mama clock,
Upstairs,
that's smart,
downstairs.
yeah? Don't let me be a priority in our blood clot life.
Go check the people them have them house, them upstairs and them downstairs and them business.
Talking about me. Then I what's up? Then I what's up? Then there's got to be something special about me. Then Father God, I what's up? If them say me and this and me and that, then why these people talk about me? Why should I be on a daily bread?
No, you're the star, man.
Why
About
am
daily
I
bread.
being
Could
on
you
a
too?
daily bread? Why am I being on a breakfast, lunch, and rascal dinner? Huh? Then that's something important.
Right now, for the past week and odd, I'd rather think be a tea girl or the girl. Tea dog are the one. But you want back the space, so you don't do anything.
Any bloggers out there, you respect me, me respect you.
But you never gonna have this tag and war back and forth, back and forth.
I saw the thing I roll. You respect me, I respect you. If you're not out there call me a kind of name and I describe me down to the ground, me come over your page and me come view your page and talk about the business. You diss me have blood clot on this back.
No benefit of the rest of from you, you're going to star. Go ahead.
That is it. What happened? We're not supposed to come out here, come talk to me.
You're going to nobody glad to see you come view page. When you come view a man page, you're going to want to get some followers or any form of support. Go ahead.
Me Google that blood clot on YouTube. And he never tell me, say, I am the most ugliest girl on social media in the world. He never tell me that. He never tell me, say, I'm the most poorest either. He never tell me none of that.
Because Google don't recognize you, that's why.
Go look.
But we know over here, so you're the ugliest.
I'm going to look how you look on camera. I say, for no blood clot, you look like me. And that's nothing going to do.
Google don't recognize you, that's why, man. Google recognize it, and I tell you. Ask Siri.
I'm going to check on myself and check my page.
Siri face, you know, go ask Siri.
Look where you go.
Google go on like him too, him too uptownish. Siri butu, Siri will tell you what I go on.
Go look at the
Ask
right
Siri the
side.
question.
And see if you can roll like me. See a poor girl. And try to walk in my blood clot shoes. Go and look. Go take a look at myself.
With your daily hustling, your daily hustling.
And bicycle and car.
How much money you make back since you claim to say you spend that 200 to buy champagne and table? I bet you any money, soon 24 hours, you have not made back that 200 US that you claim to spend and buy that champagne and that table. You don't make back that. So are you look at daily money where you make, you run go store, go buy this, buy that. You are going like say you have money where you come in a wags. Your money are coming in a bungle. So you can afford to do what you want to do. A sacrifice you make and spend your last. Because it is like the doctor prescribed medication for a patient. And they have to go and buy their medication to keep up themselves with whatever illness them have. You understand? So you going out there doing what you do, party and them something there, it's like a therapy for your stress. It's a therapy for you not being somewhere where you should have been in all your life living into America. You are miles away from which part you should have been. So you spending your last dollar you earn, whether you sell a one sheet or a one where you call it, you cover with quilt, or one set of curtain. That's what you do with the money. Take your medication, and your medication is going out there and feel like, oh, you're this big Hollywood superstar. That's exactly. So now come out and come boast upon nobody, because I know you make 5 times that $200 you spend, according to you last night.
When last on the boat? When last time I want to get a dicky and I want to move cloth down and the woman you still do? I'm false thinking.
Woman, them can ask you when last you get a dicky and see a substance from it. But you will come and say it's not about money. You don't want the money from no man. So you know why you want to buy the soap? Eh? You know why the man buy nothing with the soap? To wash it out back?
Take a look. What do you take a look?
Anyway, speak my mind, people. We done with she, Right now, I done that video and come like me do feel type me should do for the evening video. But if you go give you the next video, which is supposed to be the evening video for the morning video, me have to go do it tonight. I can't wait tomorrow morning to do it. That's why I do the morning video them from overnight. But right now I feel like the evening video should be the morning video. But only just prepare for the morning video. I don't have the strength enough to do another video right now, trust me. Bless upon yourself, or don't know what they do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV and the extended backup channel and TikTok Life is a Mission TV. Go follow me over there. All the things that I talk on that you don't want, you remember, don't just follow me. Like the video also. Alright, just like on the like over some like over the same way. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription. She's still waiting on that 104 subscribers to give her 1,000 subscribers. And remember, Cash App is there. When you gift me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. $ Charms and Trends. And if you don't have Cash App and you have Zelle, despite the Zelle don't pin, or you don't have Zelle, you can call me on 876-221 or message me. I would prefer you message me, honestly. WhatsApp me. 876-221-9789, and we can take it from there. And as I said, I'd prefer you WhatsApp me, because you might be calling me and calling that number and I don't normally answer that number, right? But if you WhatsApp me, I must see the WhatsApp so I can reply to you if I don't even see it same time. Alright? But if you call me, it's a possibility you might get me, and there is a possibility you might not get me, because sometimes I hear it a ring and I never pay it no mind. Alright? So you don't know what to do. And remember, go support Charms and Trends. Check the Instagram page, business page, anything you see over there, just drop in the DM. Quick customer service. Ask any question you want and you get that. Charmed _and_trends. Or you can go straight to the website, charmsandtrends.shop. Anything you see customized, it's a season for it. Buy a special gift, give your loved one. Don't just give your loved one an ordinary gift. Give him something that when him see it, him feel like him want to cherish it. Can picture the pan it, him name the pan it. Whether your son, your daughter, your wife, your husband, your mother, your father. The place to stop. charms and trends. Thanks for watching. Prepare for the evening video. Dewey and more get to it. Jesus, please, man. A long time I don't hear him like this. And him not do it, you know, ignorant, loud voice, you know. The man just cool and calm like a cucumber. Me don't know if I take him, just take one cucumber. Me don't know. But him just cool and calm. But him Lego him out, bruh. Wanna stay tuned for it. Bless upon yourself. I'm gone. Oh, when you're gone, you're dead. I'm out.